It's LaShonda with Shonda's Edible Delights. Once again with a live tutorial on buffalo wing popcorn. This is my tumbler. I have already popped my popcorn to show you how I coat and season my savory popcorns. So thank you guys for joining me. So I'm gonna add my popcorn. I already popped my popcorn. And this is just some plain butter popcorn. And this is 5 gallons. My tumbler holds 8 gallons of popcorn. And we're gonna go ahead and start tumbling. It may be a little loud, but we're gonna work it through. So what I do, I let it start tumbling, and I add my popcorn glue, and this helps all my seasonings stick to my popcorn. So I add a little of that. And my popcorn glue, I make that here at Shonda's Edible Delights. And what I do, it kind of wets my popcorn so that my seasonings can stick. And what I do here, I kind of tumble it. I tumble while it's tossing. I kind of flip it and I scrape the sides. And then I'll add some more popcorn glue. And I'll sprinkle some more seasonings. And I start with a cup of seasonings. And you see it's coating the popcorn nicely. And I'll stop it so that you can see that it's coating the popcorn very nicely. And I'll scrape down the sides just to show you exactly what it's doing. And I'm going to start it back up. I'm going to add some more of my popcorn glue, the remaining. And even though this is wet, it dries and it doesn't make your popcorn soggy. And then I kind of flip it a little bit more just to toss that popcorn and get all of it kind of coated with that popcorn glue. And then I'll come back in with some more seasoning. And I just let it toss a little bit to make sure all the kernels are being coated. And it's simple. This is 5 gallons of popcorn, ready to be packaged and sold. And there you have it. Buffalo wing popcorn. Simple and easy. I have a taster here. My son loves the spicy, so I'm going to hand him that handful And he'll let us know how it tastes. If I need more seasoning or anything. And you can hear, I don't know if you can hear the crunch. The popcorn is not soggy. It still has that crunch as when I popped it. How does it taste?
I think it's good. I don't think it needs more seasoning.
You don't need it doesn't need more seasoning?
It's hot.
Okay. A simple tutorial. Shonda's Edible Delights. I thank you guys for joining me. This is buffalo wing popcorn. Simple and easy. So you have some with a lot of coating, but that's just more flavor. If you guys are looking to start your own popcorn business, you can always DM me on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my website, Shonda's Edible Delights .com. Sweet Caramel says, how long do you tumble? I always have to do another step to regain my crunch. I didn't tumble long. I put my popcorn in, and then I coated it with the popcorn glue, and then I just sprinkled as it tumbled. I think this has been not even 5 minutes, and then I let it tumble a little bit longer after I've seasoned it. But it doesn't take long. As long as your popcorn, when I popped it, you still have that crunch. I know it just crushed up, but you have that crunch still. If you pop it and your kernels are not coming out crunchy like it should, you might have to check the humidity in your house. Maybe it's too warm when you pop in your popcorn to regain that crunch, to keep that crunch. So check the temperature in your house. My house is always cold because, like I said, my son always have me on freezing around here. So I hope I answered your question. Let me see what else. All my savories, I toss it in this tumbler. And this is an 8-gallon tumbler, and I put 5 gallons of popcorn. I use 1 cup of seasoning. And now all I need to do is just put it back in my container. And these are my containers that I store them in. I store them in these containers here. And this will stay fresh in this container with the lid up to 2 to 3 weeks. So, if you have any other questions, feel free to call me, DM me, text me. My phone number is 678-949-8039. I'm willing to help anyone that's in the popcorn business that have questions, because I believe there's enough money out here for us all to eat. Because my clients are not necessarily your clients. So, and I believe what God has for me is for me. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'm always here to answer questions regarding popcorn. I'm Shonda with Shonda's Edible Delights. I thank you guys for joining me tonight. We made buffalo wing popcorn. And you guys be blessed. Thanks for joining me.